If you've ever seen the loop in parents error in Blender, don't worry, it's a pretty common parenting issue and the fix is usually very quick. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve the Blender parent loop error step by step so you can get your scene back on track without breaking your hierarchy. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tips, fixes, and beginner-friendly tutorials. First, let's understand why this happens. The loop in parents error usually appears when one object is parented to another object, and then that second object ends up parented back to the first one, either directly or through a longer chain. Blender does not allow circular parenting because it creates a dependency loop that the software can't calculate properly. In simple terms, object A cannot be the parent of object B if object B is already connected back to object A somewhere in the chain. To fix it, start by selecting the object that is causing the issue. If you're not completely sure which object is responsible, the outliner is a great place to check. Look through your object hierarchy and find anything that seems to be parented in a loop or connected in a way that circles back. Once you identify the object, select it in the viewport or in the outliner. Now press Alt+P to open the Clear Parent options. From the menu, choose Clear Parent and then select Keep Transform. This is the safest option because it removes the parent relationship without snapping the object away from its current position, rotation, or scale. That means your object stays where it is, while Blender removes the problematic link. After clearing the parent, the next step is to reparent the objects correctly. Make sure the hierarchy only goes in one direction. For example, a controller can parent a mesh, but that mesh should not parent the controller back. Avoid creating any circular links, even indirectly. If you need several objects to stay organized, build a clean chain where each object has only one parent path upward and nothing loops back. If the scene is still messy, go back to the outliner and inspect the structure carefully. The goal is to break just one link in the loop. Once one link is removed, the dependency cycle is gone and Blender will stop showing the error. Then you can assign the correct parent-child relationship again from scratch. A good habit in Blender is to keep your hierarchy simple and one-directional. If you are unsure about a complex parent setup, you can also use collections instead of parenting for organization. Collections help keep your scene tidy without creating dependency problems. This is especially useful when you just want to group objects visually rather than link their transforms. So, to recap, select the object, press Alt+P, clear the parent while keeping the transform, and then reparent it properly without creating a circular link. That is the reliable fix for the loop in parents error in Blender, and it works in all recent versions of Blender. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.